Hey gadget lovers, brace yourselves for some of the coolest gadgets we found across the web. These gizmos are so advanced, they'll make your smartphone feel like a rotary phone. Grab some popcorn and let's jump right in. Here we have the Tobii Eye Tracker 5, a next-generation head and eye tracking device. This revolutionary gadget brings a new level of immersion to over 170 games, allowing you to aim and tag enemies with your eyes. But it's not just for gamers. Content creators can share their focus with viewers, enhancing the viewing experience. It even comes with a flex mount for easy installation on screens up to 30 inches. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Popular streamers are recommending the Tobii Eye Tracker 5. So if you're ready to dive into an immersive gaming experience, it can be yours for a cool price tag of $300. If you're a music head like myself, you need to check out the Govee Music Sync Box. This is a game changer in the world of smart lighting. This ingenious device synchronizes Govee smart lights with your music, creating a stunning sound and light arrangement that breathes life into your party. The Govee Music Sync Box boasts an award-winning design that allows you to create a world of color with your lights, transforming your living space into a vibrant, dynamic environment. It's not just about lighting, it's about creating experiences, setting the mood, and bringing your music to life in color. Ready to elevate your party vibes? You can get this Technicolor treat for just $30. So for the bookworms, meet the Rakuten Kobo Libra 2 e-reader. This device offers enhanced features such as 32 gigabytes of storage, a faster e-ink screen, and Bluetooth technology for audiobooks. It's also waterproof, so it's perfect for poolside reading or a relaxing soak in the tub. The Libra 2 provides customizable reading experiences with options like dark mode and comfort light PRO to reduce eye strain. It supports various file formats and boasts a long battery life. The integrated e-book store and pocket support for online articles are just the cherries on top. Its ergonomic design allows for easy handling with options for landscape reading and page turn buttons. All these features for $200. For the gamers, we present the Cooler Master Motion 1, the world's first haptic gaming chair. This isn't just a chair, it's an immersive feedback machine that puts you right in the heart of your favorite games. The Motion 1 has won prestigious design awards, a testament to Cooler Master's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. Whether you're battling enemies or exploring new worlds, this chair adds a new dimension to your gaming experience, ready to level up your gaming setup. The Cooler Master Motion 1 is available for $2,300. Now that's a game changer. Next, we introduce the C Pen Reader 2, a lifesaver for those with reading difficulties. This nifty gadget by Scanning Pens Inc. is an ingenious solution that scans text and reads it aloud, bridging the gap between the written word and its comprehension. The beauty of this device lies in its compact and portable design. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's ideal for on-the-go use. Whether you're tackling a hefty novel or navigating a restaurant menu, the C Pen Reader 2 is a supportive companion, reading made easier for a cool $300. Security is a must, so let's talk about the Voivey G6 Sport Bug Detector. This nifty device is definitely worth looking into, especially if you're about ensuring your privacy. Whether you're worried about surveillance devices in your hotel room or want to double-check your office for hidden bugs, this detector has you covered. With its advanced technology, it can detect a wide range of surveillance devices, ensuring you're not being watched or listened to without your knowledge. Easy to use and compact, it's the perfect companion for those who value their privacy. And the best part? You can start securing your space for just $40. Next in line is the Samsung Windfree air conditioner, a pioneer in cooling technology. This isn't your average AC unit. The Windfree cooling technology ensures efficient and quiet cooling, keeping your space comfortable without the discomfort of direct cold air. But it doesn't stop there. This air conditioner also offers significant energy savings in air purification, making it a smart choice for those prioritizing health and sustainability. And speaking of smart, the Samsung Windfree AC can be controlled via the SmartThings app for personalized comfort control and energy optimization, ensuring you're always in control of your environment. So, ready to redefine your cooling experience? Stay cool for $1,000. For the tea lovers, we have the Bariton electric Samovar. This is not just a tea maker, it's a large-capacity teapot set, boasting a 4.5-liter glass body and a 1-liter teapot with a stainless steel strainer. It's designed with a stainless steel heating element and a stay warm function that keeps your tea at the perfect temperature for up to 6 hours. And let's not forget about safety. The Samovar comes with overheat protection and an auto shut-off feature after 6 hours. So whether you're hosting a tea party or simply savoring a quiet moment, this electric Samovar has got you covered. Tea time made fancy for $185. Let's zoom in with the Sandmarc Microscope lens. This nifty gadget brings the microscopic world to your iPhone with an impressive 40 times magnification. Whether it's exploring the intricate details of a leaf or studying the patterns on a butterfly's wings, this lens will make you feel like a true explorer. The built-in light ensures clear, crisp images, while the USB-C charging makes it a breeze to keep the adventure going. Sandmarc, based in sunny California, stands behind their products with a full refund return policy within 30 days and a lifetime warranty. Get up close and personal for $130. For the artists and designers, meet the Colorpik Smart Ink Pen. Imagine a world where your pen can reproduce over 16 million colors. Yes, you heard that right. With its built-in RGB color sensor, Colorpik captures colors from your surroundings and brings them to life on paper and digital screens. But that's not all. The pen boasts multiple drawing tips for all your artistic needs and refillable ink cartridges to keep your colors flowing. It's also rechargeable, so you never miss a stroke of inspiration. And with its compatibility with various devices and its dedicated app, organizing and sharing colors has never been easier. Unleash your creativity for $300. Check out the Password Pocket, an offline physical password manager. This nifty little device is all about security, offering military-grade encryption and exclusive master key access to protect your data. But it's not just about keeping your passwords safe. It's about making your life easier too. With features like password autofill, centralized password management, and even a strong password generator, it's the ultimate tool for managing your digital life. It even has an encrypted notebook for storing sensitive information and can detect phishing websites. And if you're worried about losing it, don't be. It has backup and restore options to keep your data secure. So take control of your privacy and protect against device loss with the Password Pocket. Secure your passwords for just $50. Now that's how you keep things on lock.